Hello guys, welcome to back my YouTube channel. So guys, today I will discuss one a very important topic. The topic is that active and passive words. It is very important to be fluent in English. So guys, why it is important? Because there are two types of words, passive words and active words. So what are passive words and active words? Passive words, those words when we see the words, when we hear the words, then we feel, oh no, we know the meaning of the words. But active words, active words, those words we use regularly, we use while speaking, we use while writing. Those are active words. We know completely the words. So these are active words. And passive words we know but we don't use regularly. Because of not using, we forget the words. So that types of words are passive words. So guys, we have to active the passive words. It is very important. We know many words that are enough to be fluent in English. Just we have to practice more and more. The more we will practice, the more we will be confident. So both types of words we need to practice while speaking. Active words and passive words. Passive words we have to active while writing, while speaking. If we use the passive words, then the words will be practiced by us. And then one day that will be active words for us. Yes? Yes, guys. And guys, we should use simple sentences always. And we should use simple words always. Why? Because if we use simple sentences, so we can avoid our mistakes. If we use difficult words and difficult sentences, so there may be something wrong. Why? Because we are using difficult sentences and difficult words. So always we should use simple sentences and simple words. It is very easy to understand for me and for others. So always we should use simple sentences by using simple words. It is very important. And guys, I said there are two types of words, active words and passive words. And what are active words and passive words? We have discussed in this video today. So from now, I think you have none that there are two types of words. It is not like that we don't know words. We know words, but we don't use the words. Those words we know, that's enough. Just we have to practice to be fluent in English, and to speak English fluently we have to use words, both words. Okay, no problem. Okay, the more we will use the words, the more that words will be very easy for us. So guys, there is nothing to worry. It is very easy to speak English fluently. Just have patience and keep on practicing. The more we will be practice, the more we will be confident in this language. This is a language and it is not hard to learn. It is very easy to learn, guys. There is nothing to worry. Just have patience. Keep on practicing. So let's go to practice one another through this channel. So subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. And share the video to your other friends that they may watch my videos. Okay. So guys, thanks for watching till now. See you again soon in the next videos.